Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video also we will be discussing some problems based on the topic time and distance. So let's get started. Our first question is, a man travels from his home to a market at a speed of 20 km per hour and return back home from the market at a speed of 30 km per hour. Find his average speed. We can see that this person is traveling the same distance, right? At first, during the first half of the journey, he is traveling from home to market. Then he returned from market back home, right? So during both the journeys, he is traveling the same distance. So if the distance traveled during the first half and the second half is same, and if the time is not mentioned, you can use this formula to find the average speed. And the formula is 2 into x into y divided by x plus y, where x and y denotes the speed at which the same distances are covered. That is, here x is equal to 20 km per hour. That is the distance from home to market. And y is the speed at which he returns back home from the market. Now substituting the values, 2 into x is 20 km per hour and y is 30 km per hour. So 2 into 20 into 30 divided by 20 plus 30 is 50. Now we can cancel out 1 0. 5 into 4 is 20. So 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. So you will get the answer as 24 km per hour. I will explain to you one more method. So whichever you find it easier, you can use that. Okay. Here in this question, two speeds are given, right? 20 km per hour and 30 km per hour. You have to take the LCM of 20 and 30. I hope you all know the shortcut to find the LCM of two numbers. For those who don't know, I will explain it. Here we have two numbers, 20 and 30. Always take the larger number, that is 30. Now check whether 30 is completely divisible by other number. That is, check whether 30 is divisible by 20. It is not. Then take the next multiple of the larger number. That is 30 into 2, 60. Check whether 60 is divisible by the other number. We know that 60 is completely divisible by 20. So here the LCM is 60. So you got the LCM as 60. Now you find with what number we have to multiply 20 to get 60. That is 20 into 3 is 60. And by multiplying 30 with which number we will get 60. 30 into 2 is 60. Now to find the average speed, what you have to do is, we got the LCM as 60. Just multiply it with 2. The reason why we are multiplying it with 2 is, here he is traveling the same distance twice. That is home to market, then back from market to home, right? So the same distance is covered twice. That is why we are multiplying it with 2. So 60 into 2, you will get it as 120. Divided by, just add these two numbers. That is 3 and 2. That is 5. So 120 by 5 is 24. So you will get the answer as 24 km per hour. So these are the two methods. You can use either of the methods, whichever you feel comfortable. Let's see one more question. A man traveled from A to B with a speed of 10 km per hour and returned back from B to A at a speed of 15 km per hour. Find his average speed. So in this question, the distance traveled is constant, right? Distance from A to B is same as distance from B to A. So we can use the equation. What is the equation for finding the average speed if the distance is constant? That is 2 into x into y divided by x plus y. What is x? X is the speed at which he travels from A to B. That is 10 km per hour. And y is the speed at which he returns back. That is 15 km per hour. Now we can substitute the values now. 2 into 10 into 15 divided by x plus y. That is 10 plus 15. 25. Now we can do the simplification. 15 and 25. 3 into 5 is 15. 5 into 5 is 25. Now, we can cancel out 5 and 10 2 times. So, remaining is 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. So, the answer to this question is 12 km per hour. Hope you understood this. Now, I will explain this using the next method. That is, we have to take the LCM of two speeds. That is 10 and 15. How to find the LCM? Take the larger number, that is 15. Check whether 15 is completely divisible by 10. It is not divisible. So, what is the next step? Take the next multiple of 15. That is 15 into 2, 30. Check whether 30 is completely divisible by 10. It is completely divisible. So, what is the LCM? 30. Now, the next step is find out with which number we have to multiply 10 and 15 to get 30. 10 into 3 is 30 and 15 into 2 is 30. We can find the answer. That is, average speed is equal to, we got the LCM as 30, we have to double it. Why we are multiplying it with 2? Because here the same distance is travelled twice. So don't forget this step. So 30 into 2 is 60 divided by sum of 3 and 2, that is 5. 60 by 5 is 12. So you will get the answer as 12 km per hour. I hope this is clear to everyone. So we will be discussing every questions related to this topic in the coming videos. So thank you and stay safe. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos.